Hello everyone, welcome to Canon Coffee. Today we got this Delonghi Prima Donna exclusive, and we did quite a bit to it. So it came in because the water tank was not getting sensed through the machine, which means the machine wouldn't do anything. You would see this screen right here, but with the tank in full of water, it will still show it. So I opened it up, replaced the sensor. It did not work, so then I replaced the sensor and replaced the tank, and it worked. And when I put the old tank in with the new sensor, it also didn't work. So it was both the old tank and the old sensor that went out. So we replaced both of those. It is working fine now, as I'll show you. Tank is full of water. As you can see, senses normally. So we're going to do a test shot. Also, we did a tune-up. Pretty much I took the whole brew unit out, cleaned it out, replaced all the gaskets and whatnot. We did a descaling through the whole machine, and now we're going to do a test shot. I'm going to do a normal coffee, do a double. We're going to test all the functions of the machine, starting with extraction. We're using our test coffee for the shot. Looking great. Now we're going to test the hot water function. As you can see, running well. We're also going to test the steam. Everything working well. And that's pretty much it for this repair. If you like this video, leave a like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thanks for watching.